As coronavirus continues claiming lives, thousands of families have experienced a grieving process turned upside down by the pandemic, and it's taken funeral homes on a roller coaster ride. The owner of one serving Green Country spoke to 2 Works for You Sierra Pizarro about the challenges that they have faced.
This Oklahoma COVID memorial symbolizes just how challenging and heartbreaking this past year has been. Moore & Fitzgerald Funeral Homes witnessed this firsthand. They took care of funeral services for 150 of these people taken by COVID-19. Presence is the ultimate way to show support.
I think that is a tremendous loss when you don't get to have that.
Gathering to grieve is erased by the COVID-19 pandemic.
For a while, we couldn't have funerals to remember, celebrate, and honor the life, so it's been a difficult time.
Feelings of loss and loneliness are amplified.
You hear of someone dying, you immediately go to the family, want to be with them and help them in any way.
Martha Mosier's husband passed a year ago. She didn't lose him to COVID, but because of it, has had a much tougher time coping.
You get the cards and the calls, and but you still just miss that hug.
An unordinary grieving process in a very unordinary time.
We were considerably busier this year than we had been, and than we would have expected to be, and you can trace it directly to COVID-related deaths.
Moore & Fitzgerald Funeral Home staff served more than 150 families whose loved ones passed because of COVID-19. The workers used PPE to stay safe when handling each case.
So it completely covers everything from the neck down. There's also a little hood even to cover the top of the head.
Joe Moore and his team have also gone through many phases. Once given permission to open, only 10 people could attend funerals. Webcasting is a popular option now via this mounted camera. Restrictions later loosened to 50 people. Now the limitation is half occupancy.
Do you think we'll ever get back to normal? Well, I'm not sure what normal is anymore. I think we all kind of think, what is that? Do we even remember what normal is?
What we'll always remember are the thousands of lives taken this past year. With vaccinations gaining traction and cases going down, spirits are slowly lifting. I'm Sierra Pizarro, 2 Works for You.
In April, FEMA will reimburse families for COVID-related funeral costs. The agency plans to use funds from $2 billion it received in the 2021 Coronavirus Response and Relief Act. FEMA would cover COVID-related funeral costs incurred between January 20th and December 31st of 2020. More information on this can be found on our website. Just type FEMA into the search bar.